Hello students, today we will discuss about JK flip-flop. In previous video we studied a SR flip-flop. Then there is a one condition is SR flip-flop, that is when S equals to 1 and R equals to 1. The condition is indeterminate. Indeterminate means invalid. We can't determine that condition. So now we make a JK flip-flop by removing that condition. Here, what is the difference between JK and SR? Only one difference is there in their circuit diagram, this feedback. Feedback system is not present in SR flip-flop, and in JK only this feedback is present in the JK flip-flop. Here are the two inputs J and K. One clock is there. When the clock is 1, this circuit will work. When the clock is 0, this circuit will not work. Now these are the two NAND gates, G1, G2, G3 and G4. And this is the feedback. Here in this NAND gate, 3 inputs are there, J, clock and the feedback that took from here Q bar. And in the K, same as that K, we have a 3 inputs to this NAND gate, K, clock and the output of this Q. This is the complete circuit of JK flip-flop. You can see that in this circuit, this one, only this one circuit looks like as a SR latch circuit. So now shift to the table, JK flip-flop, when we have a 4 values, because we have a 2 variables J and K. So we have a 4 values 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. According to these conditions, these are the outputs. Now we will see how these outputs came. Suppose first case, when J equals to 0 and K equals to 0. In this case, this is your JK flip-flop. In this case, J is 0 and K is 0. When J is 0, and we also know that if any input of NAND gate is 0, then output always 1. So the output is 1 here. And here this is the same also. Here the one input is 0. So the output is always 1. And this circuit looks like as a SR latch. When we give 1 1 input to the SR latch, the output is no change. As we already previously studied, this is the table of the SR latch. When the 1 1 input is in the SR latch, then there is a no change state is there. Here you can see that this is the 1 1 input to the SR latch, and in there is output, there is no change. You can also solve this circuit by taking the previous values. Here the 1 is there and the second input is came from here. Here the previous output will be a 0 and 1. Firstly take 0 here, then 1. By solving this, you can also see the output, there is no change in the output. So in this condition 0 0 means no change. यहाँ पे जब भी हमारे पास एक भी इनपुट 0 होती है तो NAND गेट की आउटपुट हमेशा क्या आती है, 1 आती है. तो यहाँ पे दोनों इनपुट 0 है तो दोनों NAND गेट्स की आउटपुट क्या आ गई हमारे पास 1. और ये जो सर्किट है इट इज लुक्स लाइक एज ए SR लैच. जैसे हमने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में देखा है SR लैच है, और SR लैच को अगर हम 1 1 इनपुट देते हैं तो आउटपुट हमारे पास क्या आती है, नो चेंज. हम इसको सॉल्व भी कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग दीज फीडबैक सिस्टम, बट हमें पहले ही पता है कि अगर 1 1 इनपुट दें तो आउटपुट में क्या आता है, नो चेंज. इसलिए यहाँ पे 0 0 पे हमने क्या लिखा है, नो चेंज. नाउ सेकेंड कंडीशन इज व्हेन J इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड K इक्वल्स टू 1. When J equals to 0 and K equals to 1. If any input is 0, then output will become 1. Okay. But here, this K is 1. So we need all 3 inputs. One input is from clock, second input is from K, and third input, that is feedback from the previous output. The value of the clock is 1. K is 1. And now the question arises, what is the third value? Third value is the feedback system from that output. In this case, we considered the previous outputs. So this case is divided into the two parts. When the previous output is 0 and previous output will also be a 1. इस केस, ये केस जो है when j equals to 0 and k equals to 1 है, तो बेटा ये दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड हो जाएगा. जब प्रीवियस वैल्यू q equals to 0 है तब हम सॉल्व करके देखें क्या आउटपुट आती है, और व्हेन प्रीवियस वैल्यू q equals to 0 भी हो सकती है और q equals to 1 भी हो सकती है. उन दोनों केसेस में हमें ये सॉल्व करके देखना है कि आउटपुट हमारे पास क्या आती है. तो जब हमने इफ वी कंसिडर्ड q equals to 0 तो q बार क्या होगा, 1 होगा उस टाइम पे हमारे पास. तो व्हेन q equals to 0, दिस 0 goes from here to here. Here is 1 input, 1 clock and dot 0 is the q value. 1 into 0, 0. So here the NAND gate shows that bar, 0 bar equals to 1. Both the inputs are 1, 1. It means when we give this SR latch 1, 1, it means there is no change in the output. No change in the output means same as it is previous values came. Here the previous values is 0 and 1. So in the new output same previous values came, 0 and 1. Now we will check the second condition. In the first condition q is 0 and q bar equals to 1. Now in this second condition q equals to 1 and q bar is 0. Here take q equals to 1. So if any input is 0, the output will become 1. Here in this second case k equals to 1, clock is 1 and we take the third input from this. Third input is your q. Q is 1. So 1 into 1 into 1. 1 bar, that equals to 0. If we give 1 0 input to this SR latch, then output is reset. Reset means 0. Here you can see this table. When 1 0 is there, when we give 1 0 input to the SR latch, then output is reset. Reset means 0. Here you can see that we give 1 0. So the output will become a reset. Reset means 0 is there. In both the cases, now check both the cases, our output is, new output is 0. Here you can see that when we give previous value q equals to 1, then output also comes 0. And here we give q equals to 0, then new output also becomes 0. So we can say that when we give j equals to 0 and k equals to 1, then the output is reset. So here you can see that when j equals to 0, k equals to 1, then main output is reset. Check third case. In this third case, j equals to 1 and k equals to 0. When j equals to 1, we need a previous output, j1, k1, and third is the previous one, take from this one. And here the previous outputs are, we will consider the previous outputs. We will take the previous output from the second condition. In this second condition, the previous output is 0 and 1. So here, this 0 will goes to this condition and this 1 will go here. Here is 1 bar equals to 0 and any input is 0, that will become equals to 1. If we give 0, 1 to SR latch, then output is always set. It means 1. You can see from here, if we will give 0, 1 to SR latch, S is 0 and R equals to 1, then the output is set. Here you can say that एक हमारे पास 0 इनपुट आई है और एक हमारे पास 1 है. यू कैन सपोज S 0 है एंड R 1 है, तो हमारे पास मेन आउटपुट क्या आनी चाहिए, सेट. सेट मीन्स क्या होता है, 1. तो यहाँ पे आउटपुट अब हमारे पास क्या आ गई, 1. अब हम लास्ट कंडीशन करेंगे, फोर्थ वन. व्हेन j इक्वल्स टू k इक्वल्स टू 1, जब हमारे पास j भी इक्वल्स टू 1 है एंड k भी इक्वल्स टू क्या है, हमारे पास 1 है, उस कंडीशन में हम चेक करेंगे कि हमारे पास आउटपुट क्या आती है. Here you can see that when both the inputs are 1, so we need a feedback value also. Feedback is the previous value, and what is the previous output is here. This one, q equals to 1 is there, or you can say that q equals to 0 will be there. So j equals to 1, clock is also 1, and q bar equals to 1. So this one goes here, and here k equals to 1, clock equals to 1, and q is 0, and this q from here. This is 0 bar equals to 1 and this is 1 bar equals to 0. When we give 0 or 1 input to the SR latch, then output is always equals to 1. This is our new output and this one is our previous value. We need this previous value to solve these circuits. Why we need this previous value to solve these circuits? Because the input to the both the NAND gates are equals to 1. So we need this previous values. Previous value will be equals to this one 0 and 1 और it will also be equal to 1 and 0. Previous value आपकी कुछ भी हो सकती है, 0 भी हो सकती है and 1 भी हो सकती है. तो जब आपने 0 को लेके सॉल्व करा तो आपके पास न्यू वैल्यू क्या आई 1 और क्यू बार उसका क्या आया 0. ऐसे ही हम इसका सेकंड केस ट्राई करके देखेंगे. इस केस में हम क्या लेंगे, क्यू 0 एंड क्यू बार इक्वल्स टू क्या था 1 था. अब क्यू क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास, अब हम 1 लेंगे एंड क्यू बार क्या लेंगे 0. ये वाला केस तो हमने पीछे डायग्राम में सॉल्व कर लिया जो आपने अभी पीछे वीडियो देखी है. अब ये जो सेकंड केस है वो हम यहाँ सॉल्व करेंगे. उस केस में क्यू 1 होगा एंड क्यू बार क्या होगा 0 होगा. तो j इक्वल्स टू 1.1 क्लॉक डॉट या अब ये आ रही है आपके पास क्यू बार से वैल्यू. क्यू बार क्या है हमारे पास 0, ये 0 यहाँ चला गया तो 0 बार इक्वल्स टू क्या आ गया 1. सेम लाइक एज दैट 1 के इनपुट इज 1, क्लॉक इज 1 एंड थर्ड क्यू इज हेयर 1, सो 1 goes here, 1 bar equals to 0. When we give 1 0 to the SR latch, then new output is reset condition. Reset condition means in 0 condition. Here it is 0 Q, so Q bar is equals to 1. You can also solve. There is no need to learn that SR latch. You can also solve this equation. 1 goes here and 0 goes here. 1 is here, 0 is here. You will take the previous values. Here the previous value is 0, so 0 goes here. Here the previous value is this one 1, so 1 goes here. 1 into 0, 0, 0 bar equals to 1. The previous values is here 1. So in both the cases, you see previous output is 1 and your new output is 0. Here the 1 changes to 0. And in your previous case, see your 0, previous output is 0 and new output is 1. Here the 0 changes to 1. In this fourth condition, 1 changes to 0 and when we give next clock, then 0 changes to 1. So 1 changes to 0, 0 changes to 1 and also 1 changes to 0. It will go away till the clock pulse is high. So this condition is called as a toggle condition and it is also called as a race around condition. What is race around condition? When there is a race between 1 and 0, then it is called as a race around condition. It will be like as that. See, this clock pulse is high till this duration. Clock pulse is, this one is 0, this one is 1. When the clock is 1, it gives output. See, it gives output of 0 and 1. It always toggles the condition. Here is 1, then here it will become 0, then 0 to 1, then 1 to 0. It changes its states till the clock pulse is high. So we called it as a toggle state. When the previous output changes new output, 1 becomes 0 and 0 becomes 1, then we called it as a toggle condition. जब तक हमारी क्लॉक पल्स हाई रहती है, जब हम एक क्लॉक पल्स देते हैं, जब हमने एक क्लॉक पल्स अप्लाई करी, जब तक वो पल्स रहेगी, उसके बीच में जब हम ये दो कंडीशन अप्लाई करेंगे, जब प्रीवियस वैल्यू क्यू की 1 है और प्रीवियस वैल्यू क्यू की कितनी है 0 है, तब हमारे पास क्या हो रहा है, ये देखो एक ही क्लॉक पल्स में, इस केस में भी हम यही क्लॉक पल्स दे रहे हैं, नेक्स्ट सर्किट में भी हम यही क्लॉक पल्स दे रहे हैं, लेकिन उस क्लॉक पल्स में हो क्या रहा है, आपकी जो आउटपुट है वो चेंज हो रही है. यहाँ 0 से 1 में चेंज हो रही है और अगले केस में आपकी 1 से 0 में चेंज हो रही है. तो 0 से 1 में चेंज हो रही है, 1 से 0 में हो रही है, तो दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज ए टॉगल. टॉगल क्या होता है, जब 0 से वैल्यू 1 में चेंज हो और 1 से वैल्यू 0 में चेंज हो, तो दिस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड एज अ टॉगल कंडीशन. तो आप यहाँ कह सकते हो 1 पे कौन सी कंडीशन आती है, टॉगल, जिसको क्या कहा जाता है, रेस अराउंड कंडीशन. This is the limitation of this flip-flop, JK flip-flop. This is the limitation of a JK flip-flop. And how we can remove this limitation? We will see this in the next video. How we can remove this limitation, and this is the most important question as per your final exams view. So we will see how we can remove this race around condition in the next video. Thank you so much.